quick. I wanted to try a little test video here. Um, I've had some problems with the volume, so I don't know if you need to just crank it up on your end, but I'll leave it up to you guys, and you can give me some feedback, and I'll keep it short and sweet here. But just looking at gold, there's some asymmetrical patterns here. An interesting thing lately is we've got some bullish divergence in the MACD, and you have a slight crossover on the short term. I also noticed that if you look at gold over time, it's had some periods where we broke down and then rallied, and the patterns are very similar with respect to time. If you look starting where my arrow's at, where we have our first touch of the channel line, you can see that the very similar areas of time, your first touch versus your last break higher. So your first touch, and then you have your break higher to the top of the channel. You have your first touch, and then your last break to the high of the channel. Your first touch, and your last break before you move to the high of the channel. Thought that was kind of interesting. Maybe that brings us into the 23s here, short term. I also like how we're kind of peaking on the dollar here. I'm not saying that the dollar can't go higher, but if we're looking for high probability trades, we're stretched out there. Interest rates seem to be looking to short-term top out here. So we have a lot of things working together, maybe for a move higher in gold. I know everybody's been shying away from gold, so that's a good and a bad thing. Obviously, this is a contrarian trade. I'm going to show another chart later too on the 3-year that shows on the weekly we're putting in higher candle bodies progressively over the last 3 weeks. So it's another thing to look at. Let me know how this works. If you guys want to shoot me back a quick email, I know it's Sunday and you're probably busy, but whenever you get a chance, I would appreciate it. Thanks.